Okay, so we're going to be doing an unboxing today. I got my We Are Memory Makers, the candle maker thing. So you're coming along with me to unbox it. And it got here today. I bought it off of Walmart.com. You can probably find a link to that. Give me one moment. Give me a brief moment. You probably hear me fiddling with this box over here. It's a box in a box. Whew, here we go. Now we're back. Okay, so it is We Are Memory Keepers. It's the Wick candle maker machine. That's what I got. Here's the outer or inner box. Yes, I know. These things come with like 20 tons of tape. Okay, it was already open. So, let's see. Here we go. Right. Probably wonder why I'm not doing this on a table, because I live in a very small house and I don't have a table. All right, so here it is. Okay, here are the wicks and the little candle pins. It comes with 3. It comes with the instruction, features, the color chart. It comes with 3. Yes, 3. There's probably another one in there somewhere. There's the white, blue, and red. There should be a yellow somewhere. Okay, so it comes with paraffin wax. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And I got the bigger set, so mine actually came with, let's see if I can get it out with one hand here. Sorry about all the fumbling. Mine came with this one. So you have the spin ribbon type candles. And there's a little spot in the bottom where you put the plugs, which are in with these. Right here. So these are the plugs that go in the bottom. So you put your wick in the bottom of it, and you want to make sort of a, pretty much you fill the candle from the bottom. So when you take it out, that's your top. That's what I wasn't understanding. Okay, so on the machine itself, we have the big cup. Not sure what that is right now, but I'll probably know later on. And then the regular size cup to this one, and it shows you like how far to fill it, so that that's up there. And then the machine itself, which this is really cool. So we'll turn it off, and this is where you open it up to let your candle wax come out. This, and then you'll pop open up here. Let's see. Come on, pop open. All right, there we go. And here is your candle wax melting station, like this. Okay, so there's that. Mine looks like it's got some kind of a hole in it. So I'll have to figure it out. But this is just an unboxing of the We Are Memory Keepers candle makers. Haha, there it is. There's that yellow. Was under it. Okay, so there's the yellow. So there you have it. This is everything that comes with the supersized kit. So you have your wax melter, your big candle, your twisty candle or ribbon type, and then your regular 4 colors: your color wheel, your instructions, your pins, and some starter wicks, and the pins to hold it. And like I said, I'll have to find out what this is in the instructions and stuff. But we'll do another one. I'll do another video on this whenever I start making some candles, and you can come along with me. All right, bye. Catch you on the next one.